Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. Give 25 as a fraction of 145. Give your fraction in its simplest form. So we have 25 over 145. I can see that they're both divisible by 5, so I can cancel out here. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. 145 divided by 5 gives us 29. And since we can't simplify any further, our simplest fraction is 5 over 29. Work out 9 as a percentage of 25. So we simply have 9 divided by 25. And since it says percentage, we have to multiply by 100. 100 divided by 25 cancels out. So we have 4 here. And we have 9 times 4, which gives us 36%. The cost of 16 sandwiches of the same type is 28 euros. Work out the cost of 27 of these sandwiches. So we can see here that 28 euros is equivalent to 16 sandwiches. And we can see that we don't know what's the cost of 27 sandwiches, but we know that it is 27. We can multiply both sides by 27 using the similarity rule. And we can find out what our answer is using a calculator. We have 28 divided by 16, which is then multiplied by 27, which gives us 47.25. X is equal to 47.25, 47.25 euros. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.